Hey everyone, today's recipe is a delicious homemade hot chocolate. This drink is definitely a holiday favorite. It keeps us festive and cozy, and I can tell you that this hot chocolate is definitely chocolatey, rich, and creamy, and tastes so amazing. And I'm sure that you guys will love it too. So let's get started. You're gonna need 1 ounce of good quality semi-sweet chocolate and 1 ounce of good quality white chocolate, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and some marshmallows to top. Start by chopping up the chocolate. Make sure to use good quality chocolate. The quality of the chocolate will determine the flavor of your hot chocolate. So the better the quality, the better the taste. Chop up the chocolate and add the chopped chocolate into a saucepan. Now head over to the stove. Add in the cocoa, half of the milk, and the heavy cream. Turn the stove on to medium heat and start whisking till the chocolate melts completely into the milk. Once the chocolate is melted into the milk, pour in the rest of the milk and the vanilla. Give this a quick stir and bring this to a simmer. Make sure to not boil. Once the hot chocolate comes to a simmer, give it a stir and turn off the heat. Pour the hot chocolate into a serving mug. Top this with some marshmallows. I like to drizzle some chocolate syrup to finish off. I have tried several different hot chocolate recipes, but this is literally the best recipe for a rich, creamy, and cozy hot chocolate. The servings for this recipe is 1 cup of hot chocolate. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!